Imagine holding the key to your financial destiny. No boss, no limits, just pure, unadulterated freedom. This isn't a fantasy, it's the reality of crypto trading. The old financial system, it's crumbling. Banks, they're dinosaurs. Cryptocurrency is the future, and those who seize it will write their own ticket to wealth. But here's the catch. You need to act now. Every second you wait is a missed opportunity. Are you a spectator or a player? The choice is yours. The world is changing. Are you ready to change with it? Cryptocurrency may seem like the Wild West, a place where the rules are still being written and the landscape is constantly changing. But like any frontier, it's teeming with opportunity, waiting for those brave enough to explore it. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, these are not just buzzwords, they represent a new era of financial freedom and innovation. They're your tickets to financial independence, offering a chance to break free from traditional financial constraints. Think of it like the early days of the internet, a time when the digital world was just beginning to unfold. Those who saw the potential and took the leap reaped unimaginable rewards, transforming their lives forever. Cryptocurrency is at that same pivotal moment, standing on the brink of mainstream acceptance and explosive growth. But here's the exciting part. You don't need to be a tech whiz or a financial expert to profit from this revolution. With a little knowledge and the right tools, you can navigate this new world and watch your portfolio soar to new heights. Remember, fortune favors the bold. Those who dare to take risks often find the greatest rewards. Take the first step and unlock a world of possibilities. The future of wealth is in your hands. Ready to dive in? Fantastic! Embarking on your cryptocurrency journey is an exciting adventure filled with opportunities and challenges. The first step is choosing your trading platform. Think of it as your trusty steed in this digital gold rush. There are many options out there, so take your time to find one that suits your needs and preferences. Next, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the lingo. Bitcoin, blockchain, DeFi. These terms will soon become second nature. Understanding the terminology is crucial as it will help you navigate the crypto world with confidence. Don't be intimidated. Knowledge is power in this game. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Now for the fun part, buying your first crypto. Start small, learn the ropes, and watch your confidence grow alongside your portfolio. Remember, it's okay to take baby steps. Every little bit of progress counts. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Even the most successful traders started where you are now, learning and growing with each experience. Take your time, do your research, and never be afraid to ask questions. The crypto community is vast and full of resources. Use them to your advantage. Happy trading! As you delve deeper into the world of crypto trading, you'll uncover advanced strategies and tools. Technical analysis, arbitrage, staking, these are the keys to unlocking even greater wealth. These techniques allow you to maximize your returns and make informed decisions. But be warned, the crypto market is a roller coaster. The volatility can be both thrilling and terrifying. There will be ups and downs, moments of euphoria and pangs of doubt. It's a journey filled with emotional highs and lows. The key is to stay informed, manage your risk, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Risk management is crucial in navigating these turbulent waters. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are more than worth it. With perseverance and smart strategies, you can reach new heights. Imagine a life of freedom, where your wealth works for you, not the other way around. Picture yourself enjoying the fruits of your labor, with financial security and peace of mind. This is the power of crypto trading. It offers the potential for significant gains and the ability to shape your financial future. The question is, are you ready to claim it? The path is there, waiting for those bold enough to take the first step.